Guys, let's just unpack uThando noSithembu this past week. What has been going on, a lot has been coming out. Yakhumbula uMakhumalo had like a birthday party and uMusa didn't wish her a happy birthday. He didn't come, and then usaqhamuka useposta abafazi abawu-4 kuphela. I'm just like, bruh, like, what are you even doing? And then akayiposti le ngane le uMakhwela, and uMakhwela is just like, bruh, I'm not going anywhere, I'm staying. I'm here to stay. Mina, oh my gosh, le life engaka I think kubona ububazibazi. I don't know, mhlawumbe lento yokukhulela amafama asemzumba. I'm not sure what's going on there. But yeah, something like that. Ukuthi, you know, ngibona nje ukukhanya okumnandi, into ezikhanyayo. Kanti glitter is not always gold. So ukuthi banya it doesn't mean ukuthi it's gold. Asazobona phambili for uMakhwela. I wish her well. I don't wanna lie, guys. Just nje shame ufike nje ngesikhathi singekho right and people are just like, please. She wasn't actually welcomed well, maybe let's put it that way. NoSnake-ke naye and ngokukhuluma ngalabo mama bakhe naye, I don't think that's a good idea, because I mean, we know, guys, ukuthi obviously they're going to find out. They will find out labo mama labo. Yabo njengoMaNgwabe nje, uMaNgwabe is just like, oh, bro, I'm not going anywhere, I'm staying, and then I'm at Paplizi, bakhuluma ngami. And those people who thought I'm going, sure, woe unto them. My grandmother used to say that. Ngoba akukho la ngiyakhona at the end of the day. Ukuyibona leyo nto le. So abantu abayeke ukukhuluma ngami, because uSnake is just like, oye baba wena nawe mama ushile labo mama. I'm just like, nawe uzobe khuluma into angazazi ezobethile zazindlu zithe ngoba bakucabanga ukuthi wababa ngathenga izinto engaka. Like I said in my video last week, there's no way, guys. There is no way, especially for uMakhumalo. Please, Makhumalo bought that house herself. Let's get that straight, guys. Maybe ungangigcwalisela sengisho umusakhe. Ugcwalisile mhlawumbe like 10 rands, you know, like I'm making an example, obviously. I mean, athi mina ke yona Mangwabe mina nawe macele faka 30 rand, and then well, now you'll put a $70 for yourself. But ngeke, guys, there's no way almost I can buy those cars. We would have bought the cars, and sometimes those Mercedes-Benz might even feel good they were sponsored. Hey, ukubona okuningi, you just feel ukuthi, please, there's no way. uSne is pregnant again. Someone was even saying ukuthi amakabishi namatamati ngeke lengane ngeke iyazala. And uSne, the reason why busy nobaba wakhe kanje bezwana uhleba nangalabo umama ngoba upregnant. Ufuna ubaba wakhe ukuthi angamjudge. Athi, oh my dad, baba uyangithanda. Guys, lengane isile. It's as simple as that. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. Waze wasa uSne. uMaNgwabe ke utholakala benoMakhumalo bekhuluma ngoMakhwela ukuthi uMakhwela, I don't think it was love in another whole thing yokuthi uMusa kept on saying, hayi mina ngiyayekela manje indaba zamantombazane, ayi angiboni ukuthi ngisazoqhubha namantombazane, but manje angisakwazi ukumyeka uMakhwela ngoba usenengane. So no, basically you don't love this girl, usumthatha ngoba usenengane. I'm just like, this thing goes to that whole thing ngamakhumalo ukuthi uMakhumalo I understand. I mean, I understand into kaMakhwela. It's just like, why is this girl here? That's why I even said on the video before this one, une beef now. Do they know each other's things? Mhlambe, just as much as uMakhwela is so young. Then uMakhumalo, do they know each other's things? La emzumbe, maybe when they were growing up. Like, what's going on there? But there's something there. Something that's not right. So uSnake ke uthi wakhulelwa when they came to Johannesburg ke. You remember that hotel situation, nomfana wakhe ke osasemncane ke njengayi, ngiyacabanga. Bagcina ke sekhulelwa and babemsola abantu wathi hayi angikhulelwe. Then I guess maybe she wasn't really pregnant, but she is now. So there's 2 children that are coming ngoba noLwandle has made a girl pregnant. So uSne bese kuba uLwandle. Silinde ingane kaMseleku. uMusa uyamhlukumeza, guys, uMakhumalo. I just wanted to say that nje. Manje ufuna ukuba ne-meeting naye ezwe bemtshela ukuthi yazi ngifilana sengathi I'm not your husband anymore. Umusa must just leave lo mntana abantu alone, you know?